Hi, it's me, for Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. In my last video, I was halfway through building this. Well, I've completed it now. I've added these 4 wires, and because I'm using a funky kind of trackboard designed for microcontrollers, I turned one of these long tracks into a positive and the other one into a negative, and I bridged a few times where it was needed, and I now have a completed and working ATTiny85 burner. And I have programmed this ATTiny85. I hope it's nice and sharp for you. And we're going to try it. I've got a 3-volt battery here, and I'm going to make the connection, and we'll see what it does. Well, that looks promising. That looks very promising. That is a message in Morse code. I can't remember what I programmed it to say now, to be quite honest, but it's working. And this will go into my solar-powered emergency radio. And we'll just have to see how it does. The fact it's working off a 3-volt battery is very encouraging. I didn't put a resistor on the diode because it's only 3 volts, and I think the voltage for that diode is 3.2 volts, so I'm nowhere near going to burn that out, and I'm not even going to burn the chip out. And if I do, I've got another 3 or 4, and I've got 10 on the way. So yes, I think we can call that a success. And where did I get this? The instructions for this? Well, I had to download an ATTiny85 diagram, and I had to download a diagram of the Arduino Nano Every, and the rest of the description came from this site. Now let's see if I can find the front page. I'll show you the front page. There we go. Autodesk Instructables, compact ATTiny85 Programmer using an Arduino Nano. And of course what I'm using is an Arduino Nano Every, not quite the same, but a little bit better, more modern version. This Instructable worked quite well. I did not do it like this with this diagram. They used this kind of board, and although I've got this kind, I wanted to use the other. It just makes life a little bit simpler, but the key point, the key section in this is here, because it gives you all the pins there, and the other key section starts there for the LEDs. Now the LEDs are actually very handy. It started with a green LED, then the blue LED lit as the code was written to the ATTiny85, and then the red LED flashed on, then the green LED came on strong. So yes, and I'm pretty happy with that, and it all worked very, very nicely. Some of the description of how to do it was a little bit, yeah, you know, if you've done it before, you've done it before. You've done a lot of these things before. But I was really, really, really happy, and I have now got a totally functioning Morse generator, and which makes me very, very happy. Now, as I said, I need to put it onto this solar-powered radio thing, and that will be the next project.